Obviously, they are discouraged, but for whatever it is, the number is still okay. You can't force people to go and vote, and I'm happy with the peaceful nature of the way the election is going. It means that the security agencies are doing what they're supposed to do.
On February 25th, you were visibly angry with...
Yes. Well, it's very unfortunate. Unfortunate in the sense that, yes, even if INEC had denied it, which is expected, I can tell you that the director of security in INEC, one neighbor, he was the one who carried that out because Bagro Sabe is from Ogoni, and the director of security is from Ogoni. So I don't want us to go into detail what has to roll, but for a director of security in such a sensitive commission to breach security is quite appalling. It's quite appalling. But we thank God that the national body, the headquarters have come out to deny it, and the security agencies have taken note of it, and they are working accordingly.
On February 25th, you were visibly angry with INEC. In today's election, with BVAS and every other thing, in today's election, what will you score INEC in these elections?
In terms of what? Is it in terms of the performance?
Performance, accreditation, the BVAS and everything.
Well, from what I've seen, and I've not had any much complaint, I can say they've done very well. So it's not a question of percentage. All I would say that they've done very well. And they have improved more than what we had in 25th of February. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.